All right, you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to hammer a nail without smashing your fingers. And this easy homeowner's guide, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so the first thing we're going to talk about is just different types of hammers. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just talking about hammering a nail down. So we're not going to talk about a million different types of hammers. What I am going to talk about is it really doesn't matter what kind of hammer you have laying around the house. One thing that you do want to do is try to find one that looks like this. Okay, this is your standard type of hammer. You're going to have a face and you're going to have a claw. And in a minute, I'm going to talk about the different parts of a hammer. But whether you got like an old granddaddy wooden hammer here that you found out in the shed that used to belong to your grandpa, or one of these cool new fancy ones that are made of polymers and stuff like that, the point is it'll drive a nail home. And even if you only have this to drive a nail, I'm going to teach you how to do it again without smashing your fingers. All right, now they call me Zach the Roofing Maniac for a reason, because, well, I'm a roofing contractor. Most of our contracts are outside the home or the business, but for the sake of this video, this is for, again, you homeowners out there learning how to use a hammer correctly and nailing nail to nail. So whether your DIY project's going to be outside the home or inside the home, everything you learn here you can use for both. Okay, so let's talk about a hammer first. So a hammer's got some basic parts. So the hammer has the grip, the handle, okay? Grip, handle. Then you have the cheek, okay? This is called the eye. Now you have the claw, which we'll get into in the latter part of this video. Then you have the neck and then the face. Now with the nail, hopefully this zooms in and focuses properly. The nail, all you really need to know is about the nail head and you're using the right nail for the right job. Okay, so next I'm actually going to demonstrate nailing a nail into some wood like you would do, whether you're nailing into wood or metal or whatever you're using it for, or through aluminum, or you're fixing a fence, whatever. I'm going to show you how to do it properly without smashing your hands. Now I'm going to let you see from my point of view through my GoPro, and then I'm also going to film it from the side so you can see that as well. All right, so we're down here, we got our nail, we got our hammer. And so the first thing we're going to really try to do here is we're going to make sure that our nail is centered. Now you don't want your nail one side to the other, because if you come and hit it on the side, a lot of times you're going to miss and smash your fingers. Next thing is you want to make sure you're holding your nail correctly. All right, so when you're holding your nail, you want to make sure that you don't have any parts of your fingers that are going to be over the top of the head of the nail. So make sure all parts are below. Now there's a few ways people do this. I do not recommend doing it this way. Okay, I don't feel like you have a very good control with the nail. I have seen people do that, but I feel like you're just setting yourself up to smash your fingers. So I use one of two ways. A lot of contractors and stuff you'll see do this. And the biggest thing again is you want to make sure that your nail is centered. Okay, so you can nail here like this, or the way I like to nail is I hold it here. I get it started. Now if you notice the way I'm holding my hammer, I'm not holding it way up here. I'm holding it right here on the grip. The further down you hold, the more force you're going to get into your hit. The further up, the less force you're going to get, so the more torque. Okay, so I have it here, and now we're just going to hit it, nail right on the head and drive that nail in. Okay, now to get this thing back out, you're just going to use your claw and pull out your nail. That's what it's for. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, here's your official invitation to subscribe to Digital Roofing Innovations. And always at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.